Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to begin by verifying the basics so you don't chase false steps. First, confirm whether your device uses the App Store or Google Play because the icons and flows differ. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active and you're signed into the device account. Otherwise, downloads are blocked. Now open your home screen or app drawer and prepare to use the system search. This is the fastest way to locate the store icon or app listing. You'll now actively find and open the store. Use the device-wide search by swiping down or tapping the search field, then type the exact name, App Store or Google Play. Look for the familiar icon, don't tap similarly named apps. If you see a sign-in prompt or permission request, complete it so you can browse and install. Make sure to read any brief pop-ups. They often explain account requirements or parental controls that could block access. Finish by installing or recovering access to the store. If the store app is missing, search the app drawer and check disabled or hidden apps in settings. Sometimes an OS update re-enables it. If you can't open the store, update the device software, then try reinstalling or resetting app preferences in settings. Restart the device and verify network connectivity. If problems persist, use account recovery options or contact support. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart and reattempt after toggling Wi-Fi. This clears many transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.